Hello for Love of Fresh. My name is Antonio. I'm part of the All In crew. Tonight we're putting on a show 685 to the world. Follow me.
How about with your family back in the islands?
The show is about what's the difference between you as a Samoan born and me as a New Zealand born.
DJ wanted to come from the angle of being a plastic Samoan born in New Zealand, not being able to speak the language or know some of the protocols at different events.
If you don't know the Samoan language that well and good and you don't understand it, you're labelled as plastic. But if you've come from Samoa and you've come to New Zealand and you can't speak English that well, you're labelled as a fob. So you're bringing in those two things all at once and then it just creates conflict.
You can't even speak the language.
It's basically about the New Zealand born and the Samoan born trying to get together and be as one.
So the difference between both is they can speak, they can understand, they know the values and stuff. I'm still learning.
There's a lot of differences, but I think those are unique differences that we can embrace.
We should all be getting along because what is the difference? We're all Samoan regardless, 10%, 100%.
Keep it fresh!
685 to the world means to me personally, our culture is everywhere. That's why our show has the tagline of 685 to the world.
Well, I'm 685 to the bone, but I'm still learning my roots.
I'm hara 685.
Afagasi, half Māori, half Samoan. But for this show, I'm nothing but Samoan.
I'm Tongan, but it's the same thing in Tongan communities, and so this play looks at it in a humorous way, but definitely opens the doors for more conversations around how Samoan or how Tongan do you need to be, you know, to fit in or to belong.
I use the parade scene as a sign of unity for our people coming together as one for good cause.
And I think at the end, the moral of the story is coming together. But if you don't know where you come from, how do you know where you're going?
Batia!